Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add vector art in Wix. Vector art is a fantastic way to enhance your website's visual appeal with scalable graphics that maintain their quality at any size. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in and walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Wix dashboard on the left navigation menu. Click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear, giving you access to your site's core settings and configuration options. From here, take a moment to preview the website settings you have. This is important because you want to make sure that this is the website you wish to add vector art to, especially if you manage multiple sites under your account. It's always a good idea to double-check before making any design changes. Once you've confirmed you're working on the correct site, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. This button is typically beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on it to proceed to the next stage. You will now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll have full control over your site's design elements. From here, start by locating the Add Element button on the left navigation menu and click on it. This button is your gateway to all the different elements you can add to customize your website. The Add Element menu will expand, revealing various categories of elements you can use to personalize and enhance your website. From the list of elements, click on Decorative. This section contains all the visual elements designed to add aesthetic value to your site, and it's where you'll find vector art options. Under the Decorative Elements section, you'll see the vector art listed. Browse through the available options and select the vector art you wish to use. Once you've made your choice, simply drag it onto your website canvas. You can then position it wherever you like and resize it to fit your design vision perfectly. And that's it. You've successfully added vector art to your Wix website, giving it a more polished and professional look. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.